All right, so I'm going to try to make this one quick. We had a long one this week. Apologies for being tardy. Create an array called ages. Let ages, there we go. Subtract the first element from the last element. Do so with the minus one. Add a new age to your current array and repeat the step above to ensure it's dynamic. Do that with a push using the same minus one. Create an array called names that contains the following values. Let total age for I equals 0, and then incrementally goes up. Create an array called names and calculate average number of letters per names. Let names equals with all of the names. Loop to calculate the average number of letters per name. Let total letters up here for let I equals 0. I is less than name's length, and then make it incremental. So it can tell the number of letters. Use loop to iterate through the array again and concatenate all the names together, separated by spaces. Using the or not parentheses, the quotations to do so. How to access the last element of the array, like we did up there with the names length minus one, so it pulls in from the end of the array. How to access the first element would be 0 because the arrays start at 0 and go up from there, the first one being 0. And then we create a new array called name lengths. Write a loop to iterate over the previously created names array and add the length of each name to the name length array. We did so using similar code to above when doing a similar task. Write a loop to iterate over the name lengths array and calculate the sum of all elements in the array. Let total name length equals 0. The same thing, we just use the I plus plus with letting I be 0. Write a function that takes two parameters, word and n, as arguments and returns to the word concatenated to itself n number of times. Function repeat word n. Then we write a function that takes two parameters, first name and last name, and returns a full name. The function get full name consists of first name and last name with a space in between, so it doesn't look silly on the page. Write a function that takes an array of numbers and returns true if the sum of all numbers in the array is greater than 100. Similar to the code we used multiple times before, like this here. We just allow it to do so incrementally until it gets above the threshold. Then write a function that takes an array of numbers and returns the average of all elements in the array. It's the same, almost same process as we've been using before. We just renamed calculate average. Do the same for 13 down here, just for two arrays. Then we write a function called will buy drink that takes the Boolean is hot outside and number of money in pockets and returns it if it is hot outside, if money in pocket is greater. We do so because everyone wants to get a nice drink.